All right, in this video I want to show you how to close up a hole, an access hole that you may have cut to investigate what's behind the wall. In this case, there's a big shaftway, and you know, some of my wall was brick, felt hard, and then it was hollow, so I was knocking on it. And it was actually, I looked through the outlet down here and saw this big space, so I just wanted to know. We're in an apartment building here, so anyway, I was able to investigate in there. Now I got to close it up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So hopefully you saved the piece that you cut. And I just cut it with a sheetrock saw. So basically we're going to put that piece back, but we need to mount it to something. And we're going to use these 1x2s, which are going to come in pretty handy. All right, and what we're going to do is take this, put one on each side. All right, one there and one there. Okay, got plenty of space behind it. So, and then we're going to take a couple of short screws. These are like 1 1/4. So let's put this, get this ready in here. All right, I'm going to do just like that. Let's see, I want to make sure we overlap. This one's not that long, so. All right, got that one in there. Okay. No one's looking behind it, so it doesn't have to be perfectly level. Okay. All right. And then let's do this side. We got more meat, so that's good. And then you get the piece you cut out. And I'm going to switch to regular sheetrock screws instead of deck screws. Alright, we're going to put this piece back in there. Right. On lower power, see if that'll help us not rip through the paper. All right. More power. Okay. This is behind a refrigerator, so I'm just going to do a quick spackle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just wanted to close up the hole. Who knows what could be lurking in that shaftway. Inset. So there you go. And spackle away, cover it up, and that big giant hole that you initially cut to investigate things is now closed up nicely. And that'll be a piece of cake to spackle. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you get the thumbs up, subscribe. All that helps the channel. I get the thanks button now too. You want to send me a little dough to help support the channel? That would be cool. Alright, take care and happy handyman stuff.